What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and today we have a really cool unboxing. This is a box that I ordered from Sean D'Souza, and I apologize if I chopped that name up. Now, this guy is a Facebook seller who I've heard a lot about in our Discord server, and I don't deal on Facebook. That's one thing I don't do. I don't like Facebook very much, and so I know we have a Facebook page for the channel. Anyone who's ever sent me a message on it would know that I take forever to respond because I am very rarely on Facebook. That being said, I was able to set this up through a very good friend of mine, Mr. Ag Chopsticks. So thank you, AG, for getting this order in for me. I was looking for some silver shot. I was looking for 10 ounces of silver shot for the silver chest videos that I've been doing on Instagram and on YouTube stories, and my 90% silver coin silver chest. If you guys have never seen this whole chest is 90% coin silver. Very cool. But anyway, I was looking for some more silver shot to fill it with. And, he told me, let me check with Sean and see what he has. And of course, Sean had some. And so thanks to AG Chopsticks, I was able to set this up. So not to dig much farther into a story you probably don't want to hear about, let's actually get into the package. We're going to go ahead and cut into it. And what I thought was really cool is AG told me that Sean actually knew about my channel. So again, I ordered 10 ounces of silver shot. And of course, I don't want it to pour or do melting because you guys know I don't have a furnace and I don't do silver melting. I just don't have the time, but it looks really cool inside that silver chest, so I ordered 10 ounces of it to add to it. So as you can see, we got the priority padded envelope open, and now we're going to go ahead and get into this. He packaged it up very well, and it was sent priority mail, which probably required just based on the weight. And Sean, thank you so much for sending this to me so quickly. Now, one thing I will tell you about Sean is that he shipped incredibly quick. Okay, so wow, talk about using some priority packaging. So inside priority box that was inside the priority padded envelope, we have some more priority padded envelope, and inside of that we have another priority box. Okay, very well. Very good use of the United States Post Service priority packaging. He did send it priority, so you are allowed to use it. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing open, and hopefully we will see what is inside. Inside, we have another box. Okay. Hey, I recognize these boxes. I use these exact same boxes for my stacker boxes on my website. How cool is that? All right, let's go ahead and get it open. All right, slice and slice. And here we go. So inside of here should be my silver shot. Very excited to get this open. And by the way, if you notice, inside the box is yet another package. Eventually, we will get through the maze. Okay. Well, first off, here we go, guys. So we have 10 ounces of silver shot, but I'm not sure what this actually is. Let's go ahead and slide this out. It seems to kind of be stuck inside of the sleeve here. Wow, it is definitely stuck inside the sleeve. I don't want to damage it. Here we go. All right. What is this? What? What is this? So we have, take a look at this, guys. Let's get it up close. So we have a Great Britain 2 pounds, it looks like 1 ounce of 99 silver, finished in space, pink, yellow, gold, and silver and ruthenium, BU, Queen, Glines and Rhodes Rhapsody Edition. Oh my gosh, what? I did not, oh wow. Guys, I did not order this. Sean, you did not have to, man. I absolutely appreciate that, but wow, you did not have to do that. Guys, look at this. Holy smokes. I wish I could play Queen music on this video right now because I would. But of course, copyrights say no. But anyway, holy smokes. Sean, that is really cool. Thank you, man. That is awesome, guys. Again, Sean D'Souza on Facebook. I promise this is not sponsored, although he did send me this. I was not expecting anything other than our silver shot. So what I want to do is I did order 10 ounces of shot, and I want to weigh it and just make sure that it weighs 10 ounces. I'm sure that it does, but you know me, I always want to check. So we're going to get out our handy dandy scale. Now, one thing we can do here, guys, and if you don't know this little trick here, we can weigh it inside the bag. So as you can see, both of these bags are identical size, identical weight. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the scale. And then when our scale finishes setting, we're going to go ahead and set this to ounces troy. All right, so I know you can barely see it, but it does say 0.000. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our bag and we're going to just kind of ball it up so it stays on there. And we're going to weigh the bag, and as you can see, the bag is 0.65. So with the bag on there, we're going to hit the tare button and tear it out with the bag on there. So now the scale is minus 0.65 at its tared weight. So now we can actually put this silver shot on inside the bag, and the bag will adjust because the bag's already been weighed. And as you can see, we do have 10.040. So we do, in fact, have 10 ounces of silver shot. So exactly what I ordered, but I did not expect that. So again, guys, if you want to look up Sean, it's Sean D'Souza on Facebook. And Sean, I did not expect anything other than the silver shot. I always do unboxing videos whenever I order something new or something cool. Almost everything I order in silver is unboxed on this channel. And I guess he wanted to show this one off. Holy smoke. Sean, thank you so much for the gift. This is incredible. I'm going to put this over with the other gifts that people have sent me. The beautiful thing about silver like this is I never get rid of it. It sits over with all the other ones. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Very, very cool. There's our 10 ounces of silver shot to go in our coin silver chest that we do. We've been doing these unboxing videos with this coin silver chest every single day. And I've been using dimes to fill it with silver shot on top, but I've only had 2 ounces of shot. So now I'm going to add 10 more ounces of shot to the chest. So guys, if you want to see these videos every single day, do me a favor, follow me on Instagram. It's instagram.com/coolstacks. I'll put a link down in the description below. Make sure you follow me, and gonna be very, very cool. So guys, once again, I appreciate you watching the video. If you liked it, do me a favor, make sure you like and subscribe. We will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I do hope that you enjoyed the video. If you guys are new here, before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future notifications and videos when I upload them. I also want to give a huge shout out to all of my awesome channel members on the right hand of the screen right now. Thank you guys for making videos like this possible. We will see you next time.